Will robots ever have living human skin? Researchers have been exploring the question, and they've come up with some unsettling results. I think it's fair to say that no one would confuse today's robots, no matter how advanced, with another human being. Obviously, there are devices like the Roomba, which doesn't look like a human being at all and isn't trying to, but even when a company like Tesla or Figure creates a humanoid robot, they're really replicating our general shape, not the expressiveness of our features. We're still a long, long way from the androids in the Terminator or Blade Runner, which can pass as human beings. That said, researchers at the University of Tokyo and Harvard recently published a paper that takes us a step closer. The researchers were specifically interested in trying to replicate the network of ligaments that connects our skin with the muscle and tissue below. In this case, they wanted to create skin that would cling to an artificial substrate and then could be manipulated to do things like smile without any tearing or distortion. As you can see, the results were pretty creepy looking. Or, as Devin very aptly put it, they're absolute nightmare fuel. But in principle, it seems to work. This could be a viable method for attaching living skin to a robotic undercarriage. Of course, this is just one part of the problem. I'd imagine there's a lot more work to be done on the skin question, on the robot question, on the AI question, before we get T-800s walking down the street. That does raise another issue. Why do we want robots to have living skin in the first place? Are we trying to create robotic assassins that can pass among human beings until inevitably they go on a killing spree? Not necessarily. It turns out living skin could have other advantages, like the ability to heal itself or sense things through touch, and that can be important in medical or human interaction contexts. Who knows, maybe in the future, a robot version of me could host this show, if the generative AI version doesn't beat them to it first. I'll see you Monday.